Hello and welcome to another HVACQuick product spotlight. Today we're going to talk about the ACT Demand hot water recirculation pump. This is a demand-based hot water recirculation pump that is sitting idle until called upon by either pushing a button or a motion sensor, and then brings the hot water out to you very rapidly and then turns off, awaiting its next command. These are also available in a retrofit situation to go under the furthest sink, as well as in a dedicated return line situation where it will be out by the mechanical room and the hot water heater. This pump is also available with a multitude of control options. It has regular hardwired buttons, there's wireless buttons for locations all throughout the house, as well as a motion sensor system for those people that just want to walk in the bathroom and have the pump engage for them and bring them hot water. So if you wanted to talk about the suitability of this pump for your project, please give us a call at 888-855-7229 or email sales@HVACQuick.com.